What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I just did a thing.
I don't know, let me go. I don't know, let me go. I don't know, let me go. I don't know, let me go.
I just bought myself 1993 Suzuki Cappuccino. The thing is super clean. Got it for somewhat a decent deal for what they're going for now. It's actually quite a bit more than I really wanted to spend originally. I've actually been looking for one of these for a little over a year now. I spoke to a few different importers, and this one I just happened to come across online on Facebook of all places, and yeah, it's mine now. So I've been wanting a K car for quite some time now, and got a nice little 3-cylinder turbo. Thing only has 109,000 kilometers on it, and this thing is pretty damn clean. There's like no rust anywhere. It's pretty much stock for the most part. Interior is not too bad. The only thing is there's a rip in the seat here, but other than that, it is pretty clean. So this thing isn't perfect by any means. It's got dings and dentures and scratches here and there. There's a paint chip over here. But yeah, I mean, it's an old ass car. What can you expect? So what are my plans for it? I don't really know yet. I might just leave it stock and drive it as kind of like a daily. But I kind of want to track it. I think it would be fun as a grip car. I mean, this thing isn't fast by any means, but it is kind of quick for what it is. It's yeah, the thing rips for being such a lightweight car, especially when that little turbo kicks in. But yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. Yeah, I have no idea how that was. Anyways, I don't know what I'm doing with this thing yet. With this thing that's been going on in the world. It's going to take a while for me to get this thing even registered. Making an appointment with the DMV is like practically like a month out just to get an appointment. And then, yeah, I guess we'll have to wait and see, and we'll go from there. Let me know what you guys think of the car. Anyways, I hope you guys like the car. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out, fellas.